Okay, Vijay. Thank you for confirming it. Okay, so today topic is the WordPress freelancing. So, yeah, Mohan, thank you. So WordPress freelancing, nothing but we have to do the remote works. So by taking projects ourselves and with the help of WordPress, so we can create the websites. Okay, so with how to create the website using WordPress, that's the our main topic today. So I will tell you that thing step by step to you. So before going to that, I want to touch the WordPress freelancing. So WordPress freelancing, nothing but we are doing the work independently. So for any company or for any, so who have the requirement of WordPress. So please, who are joining the meeting, so put your mics under the mute. Please put your mics under mute, guys. Okay. So first of all, we will go through the step-by-step process of how to create the websites. Then I will take the questions and I will explain your questions, like how to start the freelancing. If you have the different questions in freelancing, I will also clear those things also. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard with a fresh WordPress installation. Okay, this is the fresh WordPress installation. I will show you just I installed the one theme, which is WordPress Astra. Only I installed the theme, that's all. So today I will cover how to convert this one to beautiful website. So that's also takes only around 10 to 20 minutes. So guys, first of all, when you install your WordPress, so it will comes with a default WordPress themes. So first of all, we have to install the theme. Theme is very important. So your website looks based on the theme. Okay, so you have to select the theme very properly. So for that, first you have to go to the appearance, then themes, and there you have to set your theme. So here I added the Astra style and Astra WordPress theme. So first of all, here you have to note one thing. So that is you should use the style theme. So if you are using a main theme, here my main theme is the Astra. So on the Astra, I am using the style theme Astra style. Why I am using the Astra style? Because whenever making the changes like custom CSS, any customization to my main theme, when I do the update, okay, particularly when I do the update, then the design will be corrupted. So for that, so we have to use the Astra style theme. Okay. So I hope guys you will get the answer. So if you're clear about this point, just type the clear in the chat box. If you're clear about the Astra style, why I have installed the Astra style, just type the clear in the chat box. Guys, you have to be interactive. So then only the session will be more interactive. Okay, so we have installed the Astra theme. We have installed the Astra style theme. So we have know the why we should install the Astra style. Okay, sorry. Okay. I will tell you again. So here we are installing the main theme and then same style theme we are installing. Why we are installing style theme? Because whenever we make the changes to, sir, please put your mics in under mute. So I will take the questions later. Okay. Whenever we make the changes to the main theme, so then whenever we will in the WordPress, for every plugin, for every themes, updates will come. So whenever update will come, then the whatever design we made, that will be corrupted. So to avoid those things, we have to install the Astra style theme. Okay, so Astra. Whatever theme, if you install the general press, then also you have to install the style theme. So here we are creating the websites from scratch using the templates. Sorry, we are creating the websites using the templates. That we have to go to the plugin. Here we have to go to the plugins and have to click the add new. Here we have to search one plugin, Astra Starter Templates. This plugin will help you to create the web drag and drop method. Okay, Astra starter templates. Just you have to install and click the activate. I already installed this one. Okay, after that you have to go to the appearance. Here we have find the appearance, and then you have to go to the starter templates. The beauty with this Astra and Astra starter templates, elementaries, everything you can create by drag and drop. You no need to touch the single line of code. That's the core advantage in this process. So here you have to here we have a ready-made templates. Okay, if your business is salon, then it's providing ready-made template. If your business is beauty parlor, it's providing ready-made template. Okay, if you want to create a community, then also it provides the ready-made template. So okay, here you can observe agency, restaurant, hotel and travel, construction, real estate, transport, manufacturing, pets. Local businesses, electrician, plumber, AC technician. So okay, for particular category, there is a particular website. So we will import one particular demo in this particular thing. So I will go with this one. So just you have to click here. Wait guys, my internet connection is very slow. And you can observe the preview here. So yeah, just click this button and you will get the preview here, right? It will take some time to do. Okay, the website will be look like this. So this is very beautiful website. So same like that, we will do this thing as it is copy paste. Okay, so same thing. So just here we have to click this button, and here if you have the logo, you can upload your logo. So here just skip and continue, and then we have to select your color theme. Okay, color palette you have to select. I am selecting this red one. So next you have to click the continue, and here you have to give some basic details, and here you have to tick mark, and you have to check all these things. So if you check all these things, the demo website will be imported successfully. Okay, so you have to click submit and build my website. That's all. It will take some time to install our website. Okay, done. 100% is. Now we are ready to view the website. See, this is our website. This is as simple as that. You are creating website in the clicks of few. So now we have to edit these things. Okay. So tell me how the experience so far in the search section. If it is super, just type the super. Excellent. Okay. Thank you, Vijay, for confirming it. Next, we have to edit this one. Okay. So just importing demo is not only the solution. We have to edit this one. So for that, here we have a edit with Elementor. Just click on that. See here today class is that just I'm giving the overview how to use this. Okay. So in-depth website creation is not possible in the 1 hour session. So I think you guys have to note that point. So here we click the edit with Elementor, and here just whatever the element you want to edit, just click that element and left side will be here. Okay, just I want to edit this one. So for that, okay. So next I want to give this one. So here I'm giving welcome. Okay, here button is the learn more. So I am giving this button as the book now. Suppose if you want to give the link for this button, here you have a link. Okay. So here you have to give your link. You have to just copy paste this your link. Everything is just clicking and updating, clicking and updating. Suppose if you want to change this background image, okay, if you want to change this particular background image, then you have to click this one. And here you have to go to the style. And then here you can change it. Here you click the choose image and you have to upload your image. That's all. That's simple. Same thing. Here upcoming events. Here. Here thing, everything will be just click and just changing the things. So if you want to change this one, just click here. And I want to change this color. Okay, now I want to change this color. The further just you have to click this one and you have to go to the style and then you have to here text color. Just give the color. Suppose if you want to add the animation, then you have to here go to the advanced and here you will find the motion effects and here you have to give the frame. That's all animation. That's all. So for every step, you have to keep in mind that one important point, which is for every step you are doing, you have to click the update. Then it will show. There is no automatic show. Okay, that point you guys have to note down. Next, here I will tell you the different points in the elemental left panel section. Suppose if you click this one, okay, here mainly three parts will be there. One is layout, one is style, one is advanced. In the layout, we will see this container settings like width, like height, those things will be set. So coming to the under settings, under the style, we will set the appearance. So what is the image, what is the background image, what is the background color, and what is the fonts. All those things will cover, will set under the style. So under the advanced, we will put the margins, paddings. So I think guys, you already know about the padding and margins. So okay, Z index, motion effects, responsiveness. So all those things we will set under advanced. I will tell you one by one very clearly because those things are very important. So importing demo and doing things, it is not a big task, but we have to know the inner things. So we have to know the inner things very well. So then only we can do the things very smoothly. So this is the main purpose of this particular masterclass. So here layout, so I will tell you content width. Okay, here two options will be there. One is full width, one is box. So whenever you select the full width, so the content will be entire the screen. So but when you select the box, it will be left side some space will be there, right side will be some space there. So here you can also adjust the width also. Okay. You can adjust it to, and here the column gap. So column gap nothing but if you give the no gap, so it will no gaps anywhere around the block. So next you can give height fit to screen. If you select the fit to screen, so the height automatically to the screen. So I need to height particular height. So when you need the height very particular, then you have to go to the minimum height and you have to set your height. See, like that. Okay. So next, column position, vertical align. So all these things and other things. Next, style. In the style also, so you can give the one image for normal, one image for hover. Hover nothing but whenever cursor comes to the particular element, then will be different style. So that is the hover. Okay. Background overlay. So coming to the background overlay, so you can give the back type like slideshow, like image. So okay, if you click this one, it will come different options. This is the gradient color. So border. So I think you already know about the border. Border is the line around the object. That is the border. So simply you can give the border norm either different, solid, double, dotted, dashed, group. And whenever you mouse over, that will then the border will also change. That is the over condition. So okay. So next coming to the advanced. So in the advanced, we will give the margins paddings. So margin is the space from above or from left, from right, from top. from bottom. So that is the margins. So coming to the paddings is the inner space. Okay, padding. So I will give you here one thing. Here we have the element. Okay. So if you give, you will observe the change here. Okay. Okay. We go to advanced. I am giving the margin. See, observe the things. You will change. So you will observe the thing very well. If I give this one to one background color, style, advanced background, and here we have to give the style. Okay, now you guys will know how padding and how margins will work. See, margin is the space around the object. Around the object is the margin. So padding nothing but inner space. Okay, so now we will apply the padding. So we will see, we will observe the same layout, and here we will give the padding. Okay, see, so inner space. Sorry, you have to give this one. This is the inner space. Padding nothing but inner space. Okay, so margin is outer space, inner space, outer space. So just remember like that. In this width, here I mean full width. You can also give inline. You can also give custom. Okay, so based on that, here percentage pixels. So like that width also we can customize. We custom width. Okay, so I'm giving default. Next, Z index. Z index is very important, guys. You have to keep in mind that. So suppose if you here one element and here another element. So suppose if these two elements are overlapped, then which element have to show front and which element have to show back. So that decides by Z index. So I think you will next. If you want to create the custom CSS and custom CSS, if you want to apply the custom CSS for this particular section, then you have to give the ID here, and then you have to give the classes, and based on the class and ID, you will customize the particular section. So this will be the advantage thing. So I will cover those things later. Next, coming to the motion effects. So motion effects are the entrance animation. So suppose if I want to give this fade in left, so whenever user first refresh that particular page, then these animation. So animation duration also we can give slow. Okay. Next, here transforms. In the transforms we will get rotate, skew, offset, scale. Those options. Just expand once those options. So then we are already given the background type. Okay, if you want to give the background gradient. Okay, so if you want to give the background gradient, then you can play this game. See, guys. So this will be everything is the just drag and drop. You no need to write single line of code. That's the main advantage of using the WordPress, Astra, Elementor, mainly WordPress. So here you can use any theme. So I am more comfortable with the WP Astra, and which is also popular theme. So that's why I am going maximum websites with the Astra theme only. Next, border. So okay, if you want to give the border for this, so here you can give the border. Here border type solid. We have border width. Okay. Color. So like that you can apply. So if you want to create the custom CSS, then you can give this one. But for this, you have to upgrade your Elementor plan. So right now, whatever the plugin, Elementor plugin I install on this demo.venkatranda.com, which is free version. So okay, for adding the custom CSS, we have alternatives. So like we can use the plugins like WP code. Okay, we can use the plugins like WP ones. See, this is just overview masterclass. So you will get the basic overview of the WordPress. Next, what are the pages are imported? So here, so I will tell you this menu also. So here the post under post, your articles will be there, all posts. If you want to add a new post, you have to go to the add new categories. Next, our images will be stored at media and under pages. So whatever the pages we have imported, those will be stored to under pages tab. If you want to edit about page, then here you have to click the edit with Elementor. If you want to edit contact, so edit with Elementor. So all those. So here, if you want, here I want to introduce some plugins to you. So important plugins. So those things you have to remember. So those things are the add new. First plugin, important plugin is the WP code. So don't worry, guys. I have a recording. I will share the recording with you. Just focus on the class. Okay. So if you want to take the notes, take the notes. So WP code. So just install. Just click the activate. So why we are installing this particular WP code? In the sense, if we want to add the codes like Google Analytics code, like Facebook pixel code, like custom CSS. So then this particular plugin is very helpful. Okay, so here we have to just go to the header and footer. Here we have to paste our codes. So if we want to create the custom CSS, then whatever the class we are, okay, here we have a layout, and here we assign the something CSS ID Venkat. I assign CSS for this one. Okay. So here ID you have to call. Here you have to write the code. Style type is equal to. This is the basic ones. So if you don't want to play this particular game, then you can go for Elementor Pro version. Okay. Style there will be, but you have to learn some basics of these things. That will be more advantage as you are a WordPress freelancer. So their ID is the Venkat. So I simply do the display none. So click the save changes. So here just open. Particular Venkat Randa will be hidden. See the Venkat Randa is hidden. So why? I removed the disability none. So now I'm giving the disability block. So now the particular element will be visible. See, okay. So you can give some amazing games with the custom CSS. In that game, it will be helpful WP code. Okay. Now it's okay. So if you want to add the new page to your page, and if you want to start the fresh, then what we have to do is you have to go to the pages and you have to go to the add new. Okay, you have to go to the add new. Guys, what are the masterclass I am giving? This is the first masterclass for me. So I think 6 months back I given the masterclass on the lead generation. So whenever comes to the WordPress, this is the first my masterclass. So guys, you have to understand this thing. And if I give any if I do any mistakes, you have to forgive me. So okay. Coming to the year, you have to give one title. Just you have to click the publish. So your important thing is that you have to click the edit with Elementor. So here another one important plugin. If you are using the Elementor free version, then you have to create the address and footers. So address is the top part, the footer part. So for that you have to install one extra plugin. I will tell you first that one also. So you have to go to the plugins and you have to click the add new. And here add a footer Elementor. This plugin will help you to create the beautiful address and footers, even though in the free version. It is developed with the popular company Force. What are the theme we are using? Astra, which is also from the Brainstorm Force. Okay, if you want to add the custom header and custom footer, just you have to go to the appearance, element header and footer. So I will show the how to create the one custom header. Okay, so here just click the add new. Here click the just skip. Here you have to give the header, and here you have type of template as header. You have to display an entire website, and you have to select the all users. Here beauty is the, if you want to display particular header on the particular page, that also possible with this plugin. Okay, if you want to give the only one header for login users, one header is the non-logged in user. So that one also possible with this one. So just you have to click the publish, and then you have to click the just edit with Elementor. See here here we have to select this section. Okay, so here you will know the very basic things. So here first you have to give the background color. So here you have to click the edit section, and then here I will suggest you to put the column gap and the no gaps. So then the spaces will be adjusted very well. So then you have to go to the style, and then you have to go to the step, and you have to give the background color. Okay, here I am bringing the title, site title. Otherwise, you can also insert the logo. Okay, demo Venkat. So you can change the colors also. So here to put the menu, navigation menu. Okay, wait. Here you have to go to this column settings, and here you have to put the vertical align as the middle. So, and also I want to put this menu display at end. That will be more. So that you have to go to the layout, and here you have to click this one. Okay. So now I want to change the colors. So you go to the style, and text color is the white. Okay. So I want to display the contact, whatever the contact is, I want to display that one as a button. So that one also possible. So last menu item is the button. See, okay. So if you want to change the button color, so then again you have to go to the style. Here you will find button, and then here you have to give the background color. Okay. So after that you have to click the update. Here we will change the style for this one also. Here we have to click the white. Okay. So if you want to change the just you have to drag like this. Okay. Now it's beautiful, but we have to make this one some more beautiful. So for that, just you have to click here and come to advanced and apply the padding. Okay. So apply around 20. And also here you have to keep in mind that this is not responsive. So if you want to check the responsive, just you have to come to this one, and you have to click this one. See, it is not responsive. So here the title have to come to here. This particular drop down button come to here. So for that you have to make some change. So for that, whatever I will tell you is just come to here, just right click and the duplicate. Okay. So next we have to just this particular thing we have to hide. Just click this one, go to the response to just hide on tablet and hide on mobile. So here same process. Here you have to come here, click advanced, and we have to go to the responsive, and we have to hide the desktop. Okay, we have to go to the mobile version, and here we have to apply the column width. Okay, here you have to click the 80%. For this, we have to apply the 20%. And we have to change this particular color. This will be under gray color. So we have to change that color also. Menu trigger color. I am giving the white. Okay. So now the thing is the responsive. Just you have to click the update. Okay, if you want to add the mobile numbers, mobile number also, so then that one also you can add. Next, so now the other part is completed. So now we will look the how the website looks. See, like so the Venkat, Randa, home, about, services, projects, contact. Okay, so now we will create the footer also. We will create the footer. So I will give you the just basic thing. Dashboard. So you have to go to the appearance and here element and footer builder. So after that you have to give the add, go to the add new. Here you have to give the footer. Yeah, forward here footer. So here you have to select the footer and then you have to here select the entire website. Here you have to give the all. So after that you have to click the publish. And here you have to click the edit with Elementor. Now here also same process, we have to design the footer. So how we designed the header, we have to design the footer like that. So here you have to come to here. So I will suggest you to select here 3 columns because footer, most footers looks like this. So here you have to give the background color. Before that, you have to give the column gap, no gap. And then we have to go to the style and we have to go to the background and we have to give the background color. Okay, so next we have to do the another thing. That when we have to give the padding. Paddings, margins are very important. These will make our designs very appealing. After that, you have to click the update. Here, just I will give the just here. Click the dots. Whatever the widget you want. Okay, in Elementor, whatever the widget you want, those will be under these buttons. Okay, here in the section heading. So those I will discuss those things few minutes later. So first we will insert the heading here. Here we have to give the about cut. Next, here I'm selecting left. Here I'm giving H3. Okay, here I'm giving small, no large. Okay, so click the update. About bank. So next I have to add the text editor. So somewhat text editor I want to add here. Just drag and drop. Okay, next here I want to give the some links. So here also same process. So just see, I am deleting this column. Okay, here you have to just right click on this column and click the duplicate. It will ease our work. So here just we have to just changes. So no need to do from again scratch links. Okay, this one I am deleting. Just right click and click the delete. Here I want the icons, icon list. Okay. So we can change the colors, all these things. So I think you guys already know this one. Okay. So till now, here I am giving the one header heading H3 map. So here I'm inserting the Google map. Okay. Google map. Here I'm giving Venkat, Randa, in India. Okay. So just click the update and we will see how our website looks. And also whenever we are creating websites, here another thing important part is the powered by. You have to create the powered by. So for that you have to click this one and then you have to click the first one. And here you have to give the heading. And you have to click the center and you have to click the H4. And we will give the background different color here. So just click this one and go to the style. And your background type is the color. So I will give this color. And here we have to add the designed by Venkat, Randa. This is important. Okay, as a freelancer, as a company, so you have to give this one. Click the update. Now we will see how our website photo looks. This is the header, this is the body, and this is the footer. Okay. So we can see plus and all the things. So last thing is the I will explain the what are the elements under what are the different widgets in element. Okay, so I will briefly explain those things. So here we are whenever you want to do particular task, particular thing, do you want to if you want to add a particular thing in Elementor, then you have to drag a particular particular widget. So this one is the inner section. So okay, inner section is the for adding the inner things. If you have a one column there, then you have to add another column. So then we can use the inner sections. So heading, image. We already used the heading, and we are not using the. If you want to import image, then we are using this one. So for test purpose, this one. If you want to embed YouTube video, then we have to go to this particular widget. Okay. So the process is simple. Just you have to drag here. Okay. So here. Buttons, you want to add button, so icons, Google Map, WP Forms. These all are the pro features. Okay, portfolio, menus, so forms. Yeah, these all are the pro features. So I will cover those things later with the pro version installed website. Just click it, this one. So here I want to add some beautiful image, beautiful section. So here I want to give the 3 columns. So here I am adding this particular one, image box. Okay, so like this. Here image will be there, here text will be there, here some description will be there. So if you want to just delete this one, just duplicate this one, duplicate. Okay, just delete this one. Here I will tell you one more important trick, which is very important. It will save you a lot of time. Please stay with me. So here I will change this particular style. So first of all, I give you the padding, all these things. So go to the advanced, give the padding. Guys, take some water and be fresh and just chill with the. Okay, so next here I will change this particular styles under style. So I will give the content. Here text color is the somewhat theme color. Next, how to set the default colors also I will tell you. Wait little bit. Description color is, I will give white. No, white is not visible. We'll give this color. Okay. Here add the similar three. These 3 are similar, but I no need to design every indent. Just I have to design the first element, and then here you have to click the icon, right? And you have to click the copy, and then here you have to just click the paste the style, not paste the paste the style. See, the style will be applied automatically. This is very important. It saves a lot of time. Okay, this particular option will be saves you a lot of time. Okay, I think I covered the most of the basics in this particular session. So next, one thing here we are going this one, and here we are setting colors. So how we got these colors? So while installing the theme, we have selected the color palette. So those colors will be reflected here. So if you want to change these colors, that one also possible. So just you have to click here, and then you have to go to the site settings. Yeah, here global colors. So here you can change the colors. Okay, you can add some custom colors here. So that's why you need to go to the every time color picker, and you no need to take the colors randomly. Okay, you can set the what are the colors you want here, and then you can apply those colors. So here I want to use some white color. Okay, here I want to use some yellow color. click the update. Okay. So this is header, this is body. And here I want to give the one more plugin for you. So please note it down. This is simply option. If you are using the Elementor free version, this particular plugin will help you. The plugin name is the Signa extension. Okay, plugin. Go to the plugins and click the add new. Signa extension for Elementor. So if you are using Elementor Pro version, you don't need this plugin. If you are using Elementor only free version, then you need this particular plugin. Just click and activate. Then I will tell you one more plugin, essential add-ons. This one also adds some particular beautiful add-ons for your essential add-ons Elementor. This one, essential add-on by WP developer. Okay. So in this way, so we can create the WordPress websites by doing drag and drop. Guys, this is the for practical oriented session for today. If you have questions, you can ask now. So I will clear all your questions. So I will on the mics. So we will discuss those things. Wait, guys, wait a little bit. So first I'm taking the pieces Dastagiri. Sir, please unmute your mic. Dastagiri. My internet connection is very slow, so that's why video is like that's why I turned off the video. Okay, sir, Dastagiri maybe in another thing. So I am giving the chance to Sandeep. So ask to unmute. Sandeep, please unmute your mic. Sandeep. Hello. Hello, Sandeep.
Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, there will be a lot of disturbance from you.
Yeah, I have some network issues. So
Okay. So
can I try?
Do you have any questions like for freelancing? So I will tell you the more practical orientation of the WordPress in upcoming master classes and upcoming classes. So coming to the WordPress freelancing, mainly WordPress freelancing. So if you have questions, you can ask me. I will tell you as per my experience.
Yeah. One question: how to create a multi-site in single domain? Multi-site creation.
Multi-site is the very advanced, Sandeep. We will cover those. I will tell you that one very personally or in upcoming masterclass. Okay.
And you can please provide this recorded.
Yeah. Recording. I will provide the recording. Don't worry. I'm already recording the session. I will provide the recording today by evening or tomorrow by evening. Okay.
Thank you. And what about the last masterclass 6 months back you conducted? So
last masterclass I conducted the lead generation masterclass. Lead generation. So that one also live on my YouTube channel. You can check out my YouTube channel.
Okay. So that is in your YouTube channel.
Yes, that's already on my YouTube channel.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you, Sandeep, for attending this particular masterclass. Okay, nice. Sir, Dastagiri sir, please on your mic. I will stopping the video because My net connection or your net connections may be slow. So if you guys didn't ask any questions, I will simply close the masterclass. So if you have questions, just turn on your mic and ask. Yes, Ashidri sir. So if you have questions, you can unmute your mic and you can ask your question. Okay, I am okay, sir. Okay, Shashadri sir is saying no doubts. Okay, thank you, sir. So what about the pieces, Dastagiri sir? So, sir, could you please turn on your mic and tell me your response? It's very important.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Sir.
Sir, okay, sir. Your class is going very comfortably.
Okay.
No problem, sir.
And I also want to say one sorry for all you guys. That is, I'm not turned on my camera because it is a low internet connection.
No problem.
You guys have to forgive me for that. Okay.
No problem, sir. No problem.
Okay, sir. Do you have any questions, sir?
So I will ask a little bit later of 5 minutes. Give me time.
Okay, sir.
Right,
okay.
Sir.
Okay.
Later other take, sir.
Okay. Another take we will take. Okay. Okay, sir. Guys, that's for today's session. So I am closing this particular session. Thank you everyone from my bottom of heart for attending this particular session. Okay. Take care and thank you very well.